Friends, in this session we will study the different failures of the quarter joint. First, failure of rod in tension. This is the isometric view of the failure of rod in tension, and this is cross section of the rod. Resisting area is given by pi by 4 d square, and this is the strength equation. Sigma T is equal to load upon resisting area. The second failure is the failure of spigot in tension across slot. This is the isometric figure, and this is the resisting area. A is equal to pi by 4 d2 square minus d2 into t, and strength equation is sigma T is equal to load upon resisting area, that is pi by 4 d2 square minus d2 into t. The next failure is the failure of spigot in shear across slot. This is the area A into d2. Double shear is there, so 2 multiplied resisting shear area is A is equal to 2 into A into d2, and the strength equation is given by tau is equal to load upon resisting area, that is 2 into A into d2. Now next is the failure. Now next is the failure of spigot collar in shear. The resisting area is given by A is equal to pi d2 into t, and strength equation is given by tau is equal to P upon shear area, that is equal to pi d2 into t1. This is the strength equation. The next failure is failure of spigot collar in crushing. The crushing area is given by pi by 4 d3 square minus d2 square, and the strength equation is given by sigma ck is equal to load upon resisting or crushing area, pi by 4 d3 square minus d2 square. Now we will see the failure of quarter in crushing with spigot across the slot. We will see sixth failure of quarter in crushing with spigot across slot. The crushing area is given by d2 into t, and the strength equation is given by sigma ck is equal to load upon resisting crushing area, that is d2 into t. Now next failure is failure of quarter in crushing with socket. The resisting crushing area is given by A is equal to d4 minus d2 into t, and sigma ck is the strength equation equal to load upon crushing area, that is in the bracket d4 minus d2 bracket complete into t. Now next failure is shear failure of quarter, double shear failure, and that area is given by A is equal to 2 into B into T, and strength equation is given by tau is equal to P upon 2 into B into T. Next we will consider the failure of socket in tension. The resisting area is given by pi by 4 d1 minus d2 in the bracket multiplied by t minus d1 minus d2 in the bracket into t. This is the total resisting area. And next we will consider the failure of socket in shear. The resisting shear area is given by A is equal to d4 minus d2 in the bracket into c, and strength equation is given by tau is equal to P upon 2 in the bracket d4 minus d2 bracket is complete and c. So this is all about the different failures of the quarter joint. So this is the end of the session. We will meet in next session. Thank you very much.